Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss a stress management technique. Today I discuss a stress management techniques for class 10th, unit 2, chapter number 1. This is the final video in this chapter. Today I discuss this topic, emotion oriented approach. Emotion oriented approach, and second, acceptance oriented approach. Acceptance oriented approach. This video is mostly 40 minutes. I hope. First of all, what is the emotion oriented approach? What is the emotion oriented approach? I am not provide to the any notes because I write down to the every point. Emotion oriented approach focus on changing the way of a stressful situation. Emotion oriented approach focuses on the changing the way a stressful situation. Obviously, this sentence is said at a stressful situation. Why is the stressful situation? Because the body is always time said that this particular man is a stressful or not a stress. The body is always time indicate which type of emotion. Anybody died, they have to the emotion. This man is the very good. This is the example. Emotion oriented approach is perceived resulting in reduced stress level. Situation is perceived resulting in reduce a stress level. The other meaning said that emotion oriented approach to a stress management involve managing feeling with cognitive and behavioral tool, or emotion oriented approach to a stress management involves managing involves managing feeling with cognitive and behavioral tool. Thus we can say that emotion oriented approach the focus on the always time cognitive and to the behavioral tool. Why emotional oriented is always time focus on the behavioral tool? This behavioral tool of the human body is just like to the personality development, motivation, leadership, attitude. You go to the higher level classes, the stress management, and you study in the MBA in any such type of area. The one books is available in the stress management techniques. They always time study in a stress management technique in management. You study in the management level. I again some of the example of emotion oriented approach. First example is affirmation. What is the affirmation? Affirmation means positive thinking, not to the negative thinking. Affirmation promotes positive feelings and overall outlook during a stressful situation. Why affirmation is called to the positive feeling? Positive feeling, suppose you go to the any such type of interview sector. Yeah, you go to the NDA examination. Your affirmation, yeah, your emotion oriented is not good. Emotion oriented are related to the cognitive and to the behavioral tool. And why to the affirmation is related to the emotion oriented? Because the body is always time say that this man are positive thinking or negative thinking. This is a very important role. You always time think to the positive. You always time think to the positive. The work is very easily. And you always time negative thinking, they have to the always time to the drop down. So this is the affirmation. Affirmation is the totally related to the positive feeling. You go to the market and you saw to the any such type of books. This book is a very good or very bad, because your mind is the setup this book is the bad or good. So they have to the two indication of your mind, positive feeling or the negative feeling. Positive feeling, the book is the good, and negative feeling, the book is the bad. Yeah, this is the not good, this is the not best book. So this is the affirmation. The second important example, ABC technique. Very good example of the ABC technique. First of all, what is the meaning of the ABC? ABC means awareness. First A means awareness. Second, balance. And third, C, control. Awareness, balance and control. But your books, you pointed to A means adversity. adversity, B, beliefs, and C, consequence. 1 and 2. Those students are write down to the this part, and those students write down to this part. They two, both part are the true. What is the A is the adversity. A is the adversity. A is the adversity. My dear student, economics paper 1 chapter in a study, break even point. This is the not related in this chapter, but sometime related. I related in this chapter. BEP, break even point. Break even point. This topic is totally adjusted in this chapter. In this topic, break even point, the one topic is a study in ABC technique. ABC technique. The ABC technique is always time indicate in the finance sector, because the sale value is the high. Sale value is high, the profit is the automatically high. Obviously, PV ratio is automatically high. I have not discussed what is the BEP and what is the B ratio, BP, ABC. But this topic, why this topic is interconnect to the emotion oriented approach. I just discussed one point in the economics, BEP, break even point, and ABC technique. ABC technique means the sale value is the high, the profit is the automatically high. Sale value is low, profit is the automatically low. Same just related to the ABC. ABC awareness. You are not aware. You are not any such type of circumstance in related to your life. They have to the always time failure. Nowadays this is the COVID-19. You are not aware. They have always time, mind is the always time emotion. My body is the always time tired. So they have to the second, balance. Balance means related to the behavior. Your behavior is the bad, your behavior is the negative, your leadership is the bad, your personality is the bad. They have always time failure. So balance is related to behavior. And C, control. What is the control? Control means all over activity control. This control is related to the all over parts of the. Suppose you go to the office and any such type of topic in argument in the boss. The boss is asked to say that in any such type of point, and you're very angry. They have emotion is the loss. Lose this point. You lose this point. They have always time failure. But so many people have control to the emotion. So they have to the control is related to in this particular area. So A is adversity. What is the adversity? Adversity, the situation or the event. Adversity is related to the situation or event. B is our beliefs. B is our belief. B is our belief. Belief, our explanation about why the situation happened. Our explanation about why the situation happened. And the last, C is the consequence. C is the consequence. Consequence is related to our feelings and behavior. It's related to our feelings and behavior. This is the end of the emotion oriented approach. Next video I discuss acceptance oriented approach. Thank you so much.